Welcome DIY enthusiasts and repair aficionados. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey through the realm of headliner repair. Whether it's your car, boat, or even home furniture that needs a facelift, selecting the right adhesive is crucial for a lasting fix. I've explored the market, tested products, and now I'm here to share my insights on the top 7 adhesives that will make your headliner repair project not just easier, but also durable and professional looking. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Gorilla Heavy Duty Spray Adhesive 14 Clear. Gorilla Heavy Duty Spray Adhesive stands as a formidable ally in the world of headliner repairs. Its design is straightforward, yet its clear formula speaks volumes about its adaptability to various materials without leaving unsightly residues. The quality of this adhesive is unparalleled. It forms a strong, permanent bond that can withstand both high temperatures and humidity, making it perfect for use in vehicles and marine applications. What sets this adhesive apart is its usability. Its spray nozzle allows for a precise application, ensuring coverage is even and wastage is minimized. The durability of Gorilla Heavy Duty Spray Adhesive is noteworthy. Once cured, it forms a bond that resists wear and tear over time, maintaining the integrity of your headliner repair. The features of this adhesive, such as its heavy-duty bond, resistance to moisture, and clear finish, make it a standout product. Its effectiveness is evident from the first application, providing a reliable solution to headliner detachment issues. In terms of specifications, the 14-ounce can is easy to handle, and its fast-drying formula speeds up repair projects significantly. Number 2. Aleenes 23473 Fabric Fusion Permanent Fabric Adhesive for Clear. Aleenes Fabric Fusion offers an exceptional solution for fabric-based headliner repairs. The design of the bottle allows for meticulous application, ensuring that the adhesive goes exactly where it's needed without mess or spillage. Quality-wise, it's a top-tier product that creates a permanent bond between fabrics without the need for sewing. Usability is one of its strong suits. The adhesive is easy to apply, requiring no special tools or skills, making it accessible to DIY enthusiasts of all levels. Its durability is impressive, as it withstands washing and ironing, ensuring that your headliner remains intact even under strenuous conditions. Fabric Fusion's features include its clear finish, which leaves no marks or discoloration on the fabric, preserving the original appearance of your headliner. Its effectiveness in bonding fabrics is unmatched, providing a strong, flexible connection that moves with the fabric without cracking or peeling. Number 3. 3M Headliner and Fabric Adhesive 18.1. 3M Headliner and Fabric Adhesive stands out for its specialized design, tailored specifically for headliner and fabric applications. The quality of this adhesive is a testament to 3M's reputation, providing a bond that is durable and resistant to extreme temperatures and moisture, crucial for vehicle interiors. The usability of this product is a major advantage. It's designed for easy application, with a nozzle that evenly distributes the adhesive, ensuring a smooth, bubble-free finish. Its durability is exceptional, with a bond that withstands the test of time, maintaining its hold despite vibrations and temperature changes. Features such as its high strength, temperature resistance, and suitability for a wide range of materials make it an effective solution for both automotive and home upholstery repairs. The effectiveness of the 3M Headliner and Fabric Adhesive is immediately noticeable, with a quick set time and a bond that feels as strong as the original material. Number 4. Permatex 27828 Body Shop Heavy Duty Headliner Adhesive 16.75 ounces Clear. When it comes to heavy-duty repairs, Permatex 27828 stands out for its industrial strength bonding capabilities. This adhesive is not just any ordinary glue. It's a professional-grade solution designed for both automotive and home repairs. The design of the can itself is user-friendly, featuring an easy-to-use nozzle that ensures a precise application without the mess. Quality-wise, Permatex has always been a name synonymous with durability and reliability. This adhesive is clear, meaning it won't leave any unsightly stains or marks on your headliner or fabric. Its formula is specially engineered to resist high temperatures and moisture, making it an ideal choice for vehicles exposed to various environmental conditions. In terms of usability, this adhesive shines with its versatility. Not limited to just headliners, it can be used on a wide range of materials including leather, metal, plastic, and more. The bond it creates is robust, ensuring whatever you fix stays in place for the long haul. Once applied, the adhesive forms a permanent bond that withstands vibrations and thermal expansion, critical for maintaining the integrity of your headliner over time. Number 5. Mender Instant Fabric and Leather Adhesive, 2 ounces, TM1 White. Moving on to our next contender, Mender Instant Fabric and Leather Adhesive is a game changer for those quick fixes. This adhesive comes in a compact 2 ounces bottle, but don't let its size fool you. It packs a punch with its instant bonding power, specifically designed for fabric and leather repairs. The design of Mender is straightforward and functional. The bottle's applicator allows for direct application, making it incredibly easy to control the amount of adhesive used, thus preventing waste and mess. This is particularly useful for delicate repairs where precision is key. Quality is at the forefront of Mender's attributes. This adhesive is water-based, making it safe for use on a variety of materials without damaging them. It's not just about sticking things together, it's about preserving the integrity of the materials you're repairing. Usability is another strong point for Mender. It's designed for quick repairs, setting in just 3 minutes and curing fully in 15 minutes. This makes it perfect for emergency repairs or last-minute adjustments before a road trip. Number 6 to 13.5 Loctite 2,235,316 General Performance Spray Adhesive. The Loctite 2,235,316 General Performance Spray Adhesive stands as a beacon of reliability and efficiency in the vast sea of automotive repair products. Its design is both intuitive and user-friendly, making it accessible to professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. The spray nozzle is engineered for precision, allowing for an even distribution of adhesive that is vital for achieving a flawless headliner installation. Delving deeper into its quality, this Loctite spray adhesive is formulated to withstand the test of time. Its durable bond ensures that your headliner remains securely in place, resisting the common pitfalls of temperature fluctuations and humidity that plague many vehicles. The adhesive's robust composition does not degrade over time, which speaks volumes about its longevity and reliability. When it comes to features, the Loctite 2,235,316 spray adhesive shines with its versatility. Not only is it suitable for headliner repairs, but it also adheres to a wide range of materials, including fabrics, plastics, and metals. This adaptability makes it an invaluable tool in your automotive repair arsenal. Number 7. 3M 38808 Headliner and Fabric Adhesive. Moving on to the next standout product, the 3M 38808 Headliner and Fabric Adhesive, we find a solution that brings unparalleled strength and precision to the table. Designed with the user's needs in mind, this adhesive features a spray application method that ensures a uniform layer of adhesive is applied across the headliner, minimizing the risk of uneven adhesion that can lead to sagging or detachment over time. The quality of the 3M 38808 adhesive is evident from the moment of application. Engineered to meet the high standards of both automotive professionals and DIY enthusiasts, this adhesive offers a bond that is not only strong but also resistant to the elements. Its formulation is designed to withstand extreme temperatures and humidity, ensuring that your headliner remains in pristine condition regardless of the environmental conditions it faces. Usability is a key factor that sets the 3M 38808 apart from its competitors. Its spray nozzle is designed for ease of use, allowing for a controlled and precise application every time. This feature, combined with its fast-acting adhesive formula, reduces the time and effort required to achieve a professional quality headliner repair. In wrapping up our exploration of the top adhesives for headliner repair, it's clear that the right product can make all the difference in achieving a professional and durable result. Each adhesive we discussed today offers unique benefits, ensuring there's a perfect match for every project and skill level. Remember, a successful repair starts with choosing quality materials, so consider these top picks for your next headliner restoration. Thank you for joining us on this informative journey. Happy repairing!